shelter, hydration, body temperature control, and signaling. Those are the critical elements of wilderness survival. Hi, my name is Jeff Isley. We're out on our next P3 Gear Field Ops exercise. And today we're going to talk about the Integral Designs sill tarps and how effective they are as a primary source for shelter. We're going to cover 3 tarps or sill tarps made by Integral Designs. First being this sill tarp poncho. This is an outstanding shelter in an emergency situation. It can be used as a poncho when you're out hiking, backpacking, that sort of thing. It can also be turned into a 5x8 shelter. It has built-in tie downs. It's highly water resistant, ripstop nylon, very durable in the outdoors. Next we want to talk about is Integral Designs Guide Sill Tarp 2. This is good for the guide that's out with a party that needs a makeshift shelter. It's got Velcro around the edges so that you can turn that into a bivy sack. It's large enough to fit 2 to 4 people, 16 ounces in weight, so still very lightweight. This is the Integral Design Sill Tarp 2. Similar to the guide, it's a 10x8 tarp, ripstop nylon, highly water resistant. It can fit up to 2 to 4 people, and so this is a great size tarp. This is the one that we have featured back here. I want to talk about some of the features on the Integral Design sill tarp here. There are some really nice, high quality things that are really important to have on your shelter. One, it's got tie downs on all the four corners, all the corners of the tarp in the middle sections of this. That way you can tie this down in any way necessary to secure it against windy conditions or stormy conditions. The other is the membrane itself has a ripstop core in it, so if you happen to tear or snag it, it's not going to unravel on you. It's going to stay together. Some of the less expensive tarps will unravel after they've been snagged and torn. The other thing I want to talk about is the membrane of this. It's silicone impregnated. This is highly water resistant. You're not going to get water coming in off of this tarp. Even if you bump up against it, you're still not going to have water coming in on your tarp. The key is to stay warm and dry, and that's exactly what this does. Another great feature of the sill tarps is that they are translucent in nature. You can put a candle inside this in the wilderness and it turns into a giant lantern, 5x8 lantern. You can imagine the illumination in the forest that provides. If you have people out looking for you, there is no doubt they're going to find you in this tarp.